Welcome back. Yep, another day in the Honda here. Where is this Mustang? Oh my goodness. We're gonna go take a look at the Mustang today, see what's going on. I don't know if they're gonna work on it, but at least we'll have the Mustang at least look at. That's why I just want to look at the dang thing. So we're in the shop. We got the new gauge right here, so it should be able to display 4 different things. So when we're driving, we're racing, you know. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. I would lay gauges like over here low key, but that's okay too. I mean, boost. You know, we gotta see if we're making 30 pounds. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I'm excited. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. We are getting there. I promise you. But man, this is sick. I like this. All right, so in the back here in the trunk, this is pretty much the setup. Triple pump, power, ground, Hobbs switch. I mean, there's nothing really to it. Ground's good. Putting the ground here was a huge game changer. And then we switched to a brand new Fc3. So Fore sent out a brand new Fc3. And now we have issues with secondary pumps kicking on. So I don't want to say that the brand new Fc3 is bad, but I almost want to throw in my old one just to verify it. But the old one was super corroded on the power and ground back here, where they kind of, you can't see on this one, but where they're infused, it was super corroded, all green. It looked like this green. It was super corroded back there. So we were like, hey, while we're here, we'll just swap in a new one to eliminate any issues. So everything's new, but now my secondary pumps don't kick on. I mean, look at it. It's just wires, you guys. It's nothing complex, but something's happened, and so we're just chasing. That's about it. There's really nothing to see. I mean, it's just a couple wires, literally. So let me show you what else we got going on here. So we got rid of the direct injection regulator, and we're just running it straight feed, and then feeding the rails and everything. So in theory, that's a lot better, because all the new long guys are doing this. So we are trying it out. And then I think we're getting ready to plug in the vacuum Hobbs switch there and make sure things work. And then data log time. So we should be up and running this weekend. I mean, the car runs. We just want to go into boost and have fuel in boost. So I mean, we could drive it, but like, it's no fun driving it when you got these tires on. You know what I mean? So we just praying. Oh, and then we cleaned the fuel filter, and it was super dirty, super gunky. So that's a good fix. That's good. But we'll see what happens with the fuel system here. We'll see. Everything together. Try firing it up. We'll see. No leaks. That's good. ESS doing good. Fuel pressure 50. I think that's what I had set at. I forget. But I know on the vacuum we're gonna probably change it up. Give it a little more sauce. And then this side should read. That one's bouncing like crazy. Good morning. Big day, big freaking day for this car. Big showcase. We have to get a data log for a cold start. And I'll just go through everything, man. It's quite a headache before we get into today's video. So let's go. Whoa, that sounded weird, didn't it? Did that not sound weird? Just saw your data log.
GPS connected.
And in a little bit here, we are ready to data log our cold start. So let's go. Obviously the car runs. It drives like stock. cruising and everything. That's not my issue. So we thought we fixed it, but like I said, I'll go more into it when we get inside the car and start driving. It's still broken. I'm a little disappointed. I'm a little sad, mad. It worked. It doesn't work. It works. It doesn't work. At the shop, it works. I take it home. It breaks. It's just been an ongoing battle with this car. I wish we had more answers. I was going to do a quick data log, and then we'll hop in and talk a little about it before we go to the show. The show is, I think it's going to be a different video, but so yeah. And yeah, it literally worked great. We data logged it. We did a couple polls in the Mexico area. Like, it felt great. It was absolutely amazing. You know, I don't even know how to explain it. It just felt so good. And then finalized everything, checked the tune, checked the logs. Everything was so good, great, perfect, tip-top. It ran better than before, honestly. And go to pick it up. I do one log. It was great. Drove for an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. You know, obviously stopped, filled up gas, you know, went for a drive again. And then on the way back home in Mexico, I did a pull and I got no fuel pressure again. So I guess I'm still suffering some sort of electrical issue. It's got to be electrical, but it didn't really lean out this time, so which is really interesting. It didn't lean out. I still had, you know, 30-40% or 30-40 pressure, fuel pressure, which is weird. I don't know. I didn't really lean out like I normally do with not having fuel pressure, so it's kind of weird. I don't know really explain it, but take it back to the shop, figure out different things. I'm just gonna see it on video here. I think it's the Fc3, the new Fc3 that we got. I don't want to say it is because I don't really know. I'm not a real expert, but if you guys are new and just following for just watching this video with the Fore fuel system here, we're on a triple 525 you know, Fore return system, -10 lines. Oh, we fogging up. And it's pretty basic build. You know, everyone runs this setup. I don't know about driving it 2-3 hours. I don't know about that, but we do know it works great for the first hour and a half, maybe, with this new setup. The last setup, we had some crazy parasitic fuel pressure droppage, and it wouldn't even last like an hour and a half. I would drop like 30 PSI, just cruising. So now I got this cool gauge over here, so I can monitor fuel pressure in here. So I can monitor fuel pressure in here rather than guessing or like stopping and pulling over to check under the hood. So this is really nice. I really like this. Driving the car, it's perfectly fine. With the vacuum Hobbs switch, like, you can tell once we hit 14 vacuum, you'll see this number spike up just a little bit here. So it spikes up about 60 or so, and then when you're past 14 vacuum, you know, we're back down to 50 or so. So we do know that the pumps kick on. We don't know why they're not holding pressure up there. They're new pumps. I would hate to say that the new pumps have already died, being that they're new pumps and they're secondary, so they're not on, you know. And we do know that the primary works great. So I don't know. I'm kind of lost, you guys, and it's annoying. It sucks because Power Cruise is less than a month away, and ordering parts, diagnosing, it takes time, and I don't know what to really think about it anymore, this car. And hopefully we can get up and running. And if I have to only race for 30 minutes at a time, it's really gonna suck for me. I guess we'll see what happens when I bring the car back to the shop. I'll show you guys some logs, some pictures, talk about it a little later. But basically, we still don't get the fuel pressure we need when in boost. So when the Hobbs does its job, the secondaries, they kick on right now, but they don't hold. Before, they just didn't like kick on at all, which is really weird because I'm gonna keep saying it again. After we switched the Fc3 to the new Fc3, it started acting up. It didn't work. So we did all these crazy things. Vacuum Hobbs Switch, high pressure delete, regular delete. We're still back at the same BS. And I almost wanted to say during the data log, when I hit that throttle, when wide open throttle, it hesitated again, which is what we had. We had an issue with it hesitating turning on the pumps. So even though they're activated, it still hesitated to send the juice to it. So I don't know, I'm still confused again. They were activated, but like the car hesitated. It, fell on its face and then went. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. So I don't know. We're gonna go to the car show, you guys. We'll see everyone at the Medina Autoplex. Big show. Obviously, I'm not gonna tell everyone that this car is dead. So we just gotta get there within an hour, and hey, we're good to go. So see everyone at the Autoplex. This is just an update video. I'll make a whole different video for Autoplex video, but we're gonna bring this car back to the shop. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm gonna have to say that new Fc3, maybe. I don't know. If that doesn't work, shoot, I don't know, you guys. We're stuck. We might be going aeromotive. I don't know. But there's really nothing there with the fuel system, though. Honestly, power, ground, controller, fuel controller. A couple of wires that feed your pump. That's it, literally. So I don't know what could change or what's going on. So I don't know. Enough talking. We'll see you guys later.